There's never been a better time to explore our state's beautiful capital city. There have been a lot of improvements made to Perth in recent years, and if you really want to get a feel for the place, the best thing to do is get out and hoof it. Ideal for tourists, visitors, people like me who just want to re-engage with their city, Visit Perth run guided walking tours that show you everything that's new around the place, and how's this? They're completely free. Kicking off at the iCity Information Kiosk in Murray Street Mall, we're about to embark on a 90-minute tour chock full of intriguing sights and valuable local know-how. Our volunteer tour guide, Michelle Standen. Michelle, what's so great about a walking tour?
I think walking tours are fantastic anywhere, but really it gives you an idea of what there is to see, what there is to do. We give you little secrets, and really it's something for everybody.
And tell me, what will we see?
We will go to the town hall, we'll go to the cathedral, St George's Cathedral, and we'll go into Stirling Gardens, and there's stories attached to all of those.
Do you change the tours up when new things crop up around town?
We do, because things are changing in Perth all the time. We're getting to be a bigger city now, and so if we don't include those things, people don't necessarily know what's available in the city.
And what else is great about these tours?
These tours are free. We're all amazing. Ask us, we'll tell you. And as I said, it's something for everyone.
Taking in all the sights any self-respecting tourist should have on their hit list, your walk will familiarise you with everything cultural, iconic and historic the city has to offer. Like our recently restored and unique town hall.
It's the only convict-built Gothic-style town hall in Australia, and the renovation was amazing. It's taken it back to how it was when it was completed in 1870, and we're really fortunate to have it.
Now to another Gothic design you'll spot on the tour. Consecrated in 1888, St George's Cathedral is a majestic sight on any wander through the centre of the city. And inside, those roof trusses are made of locally grown jarrah.
So Carmen, I don't know if you know, these orange bricks would have originally come from what's now Queen's Gardens, which was a brickworks. So that's why all the lakes are down there. They've just basically filled the holes in.
Did not know that.
No, well, there you go.
The cathedral is a piece of history really worth seeing. And keep your eyes peeled for more stunning restorations as you go. This is the very best of Perth's built history brought to life, side by side with modern attractions and amenities. You know, walking through the city is really great. You get the chance to look up and see so much more than you would otherwise. And with Michelle's expert guidance, I'm learning a bit about the city too.
I agree, but we're not done yet. One more stop.
All right, let's go. One of the final stops on our orientation tour, the oldest gardens in the city of Perth.
So Carmen, I don't know if you know, but this was the original Botanical Gardens.
I didn't know that.
Until they went to Kings Park in 1986. And prior to that, when James Stirling came, he brought his botanist, who was a man called James Drummond, and he used this as an acclimatisation nursery, and he did really well to grow anything here because the soil is so sandy. And a good landmark to find it, if you're not sure where it is the kangaroos that are on St George's Terrace.
Oh yeah, everybody knows those. It is a really stunning place and a great way to see the city.
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
And don't forget to visit Elizabeth Quay's redevelopment. There's plenty to see here and it's an excellent spot to grab a bite. Tours cover orientation, culture, history and art. For more info on city walking tours, check out this website.